Okay, so next example, example 3, we are gonna create 2 points. We're gonna connect them together, and we're gonna resample them to create more points in between 2 points. Let's see how this is done. So we're gonna start off by making 1 point that is at the position 0, 0, 0, as for example. Then we're gonna create another point that is also 0, 0, 0 with using the add sop. We're gonna transform the second point up to the position 0, 1, 0. We're gonna use a merge sop to merge them together. So instead of having 1 point, we now have 2 points. We're gonna visualize them. As you can see, we have 1 point here, we have 1 point here. And the point numbers are fine. They're 1, 0, and 1. And the positions are 0, 0, 0. And for the second point, we have 0, 1, 0. Everything is fine. So now we're gonna use a add sop, and we're gonna go from polygons. We're not gonna do anything there. We're gonna go to point. We're not gonna do anything here. We're gonna go to polygons. We're gonna go from pattern to by group, and that should do it. We're gonna have a primitive in between them. We're not gonna talk about primitives now, but this is a primitive, something that has connected these 2 points in between them. What we can do now, we can resample this primitive. Since this primitive only have 2 points now, we can resample this with a resample sop, creating 6 points instead of 2. Yeah, and that's basically how you can create more points on a primitive. To visualize the point numbers, we can also display them by clicking this right here. It's like a little point with a 12 or a 1 and 2. We can now see 0.0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, and 0.5. So yeah, so what we have now is we have 6 points, 1 primitive, 6 vertices, and 1 polygon. Interesting. So this is the end of example 3. See you in the next one.